Thomas, a middle-aged man in a blue suit, stands in the mountains of Blaenau Ffestiniog and looks down at the town below.
Stories. I spent my whole life chasing them, looking for the truth. And when you look closer, that's when you find what has been there all along. The answers are there. Which leads us here. The storm. Time cracks. A girl lost in time.
A woman wakes by the sea.
Woke up today.
I shouldn't be here. This is all from before. A long time ago.
Some kind of frequency.
It's happening everywhere.
The woman wakes in a caravan as a sign hanging in the woods reads, "Welcoming climate refugees since 2032.
Forget the pollution that you caught in time.
أمطر أنفرتك أحلام.
Yo, forget the illusions, I'll come in with signs. I'm coming for what's mine.
I don't want to freak you out or anything, but a communication pathway is opened up between us and 30 years ago.
Hell yes.
Nan, can you hear me?
Who would you talk to if you could talk to the past?
The future is here.
Title: Galwad.Cymru.